The fallout over missing evidence at Asheville Police Department's evidence room could mean convicted criminals will get a second chance.
That's the opinion of one attorney who's had a number of clients affected by the scandal. News 13's Russ Bowen has more in tonight's Reality Check report.
Russ, other attorneys are really paying close attention to this.
Yes, they are. Attorneys, convicted criminals, and those waiting for trial.
It was just 2 empty pill bottles that had tissue put inside them, and it should have contained 397 or so pills.
Defense attorney Jason Wilson didn't realize in early April 2011 that his client's missing evidence was just the tip of the iceberg. He didn't know the evidence room would soon be sealed and the FBI would start a criminal investigation, and that police chief Bill Hogan would retire soon after the story broke.
Obviously, I didn't think that someone that was working in law enforcement may have taken those pills and that they were no longer anywhere to be found.
With the pills missing, Terry Landrum took a lesser plea deal, a plea that Wilson believes he is now entitled to withdraw.
Well, I think since he didn't have notice that there were potentially more evidence problems than just what we knew, I believe he would have been entitled under the federal constitution and the state constitution to have been put on notice that the evidence room had issues.
Issues that the DA said he wasn't made aware of until months after the police department knew about them. They were brought to light after an audit was ordered when the property room manager was placed on leave and resigned. Developments that were in great contrast to a 2008 national accreditation audit that said he was an exceptional employee and the evidence room was outstanding in all respects. A 2009 internal audit said there were no discrepancies, and a 2010 internal audit said the area was neat and clean and well organized. Tuesday, City Council heard from the firm they hired to inspect just how much is missing and its condition. The results were shocking. The mayor called it horrendous, and now there are questions of how previous audits named no problems.
How could other people at Asheville Police Department not have known the condition of that evidence room for that amount of time? It's not something that accumulated in a week or two.
It's already put cases on hold, allowed a suspected rapist it took 10 years to catch go free, and now dozens of attorneys could soon have old cases suddenly become new again. Now, the FBI is still investigating the case of missing evidence. The new police chief says it will take at least 2 years to get everything in order and properly dealt with. Darcel?